want some pretty dang nice pumpkins.
Right?
So we'll do.
This is our 5th year with J&G Transmissions. They've invited us out here for Pumpkinpaloosa.
We invite the high school kids from Murray to come over and do their best rendition of a pumpkin carving. And what kind of imagination.
There you go, you got 10 minutes. They're kind enough to give them a toolkit, something that they can take home and start their own kits with as far as mechanics. They've also hired 2 of the students that come from Murray, so we are grateful for J&G Transmissions.
Pull the lid up a little bit. Good. Quarter bit. Like take it out.
No, I'm okay.
We got to do the springs too, just work on flavor.
Well, it's all about using your imagination.
Well, it's supposed to be scary, right?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Whether I want to use the question.
1.
Hands off, back off. Good job, guys.
I know, we got my friend.
There's one in there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah, disqualified. Disqualified.
Could be that one.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.